Hello, and welcome to Global Data Themes Instant Insights. At Global Data, we define a theme as something that keeps a CEO awake at night, as businesses that invest in important themes will succeed, and those that don't will fail. Hello, and welcome to Instant Insights. I'm Emma Taylor, and today I'll be talking to thematic analyst Shabnam in Thematic Intelligence on the technological trends shaping the fashion industry and what this means for fashion professionals. Hi, Shabnam. Thanks for joining me.
Hi, Emma. Thank you so much for having me today.
It's my pleasure. So let's get straight into it. What could you identify as some of the key ways disruptive technologies like AI, for instance, are used in fashion?
So one of the defining trends of 21st century fashion is sustainability, and AI is helping to support this. By combining digital twins and AI, it's one of the most innovative ways the fashion industry is promoting sustainability at the moment. A digital twin, in essence, is a digital replica of a real-life object or process. So in fashion, they can be used to map the supply chains of companies. This typically is done before production, and companies can find ways to reduce waste and improve efficiency digitally before embarking a real life production run. Another way AI can help the fashion industry reduce waste is by demand forecasting and providing better size recommendations so customers don't need to return items. A great example of retailer doing this is Lando, which runs algorithms to recommend the best product size or forecast demand to ensure stock availability during busy seasons. By adopting machine learning, the fashion industry can take one step closer to becoming circular.
Oh, yeah, the circular economy. I'm definitely guilty of that, returning things is so easy now, just buying lots of things and then returning them. So I'm sure reduction in that is definitely the way forwards.
Mm.
And what about the luxury side of fashion? Do you see the same trends going on there?
Absolutely. So there seems to be a perception that the luxury industry, sorry, is more accustomed to tradition and it goes at its own pace. However, luxury brands are embracing AI. AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data is particularly useful to luxury brands. They tend to use AI in trend forecasting to identify new markets and segments they can break into. This helps in turn to analyze customer behavior. Some of the brands doing this include Louis Vuitton, Chanel, and Rolls-Royce, focusing on Asia Pacific and the Middle East.
That is interesting. I guess that quite spans across a lot of sectors. Would be using AI
Absolutely.
to identify new markets and things. And what about in, everyday for the everyday consumer? Can AI can help them make sort of fashion choices and things like that?
Yes, absolutely. So one of the greatest joys of fashion is picking out an outfit and fine-tuning your style. Well, at least that's the case for me. And AI can be used to even do this. So there's an app called Wearing, which essentially helps you create an outfit based on items that you input from your wardrobe. Another great example is Psych AI, which provides personalized recommendations on products to buy based on the user's taste. It's currently being offered to brands to integrate into their online shopping platforms, and it boasts a five-fold increase in conversion rate. With so much on offer, consumers can often suffer from decision fatigue, and AI is a great tool to prevent this.
That's amazing. That sounds a lot like do you remember in Clueless where she uses like an app to decide her outfit at the beginning of the
Exactly,
movie? That always
just
stuck
like
in my
that.
head. And what about the key fashion trends of the future? What are some key AI trends that fashion focused apparel companies should really keep an eye on?
So one of the biggest ways AI is being adopted in the apparel and retail industry at the moment is improving the shopping experience. Originally, it was improving the online experience, but now we've shifted to shopping. So as convenience is continuing at the forefront of consumers' minds, many retailers are adopting generative AI to streamline and improve the customer experience. A lot of retailers are currently using generative AI to create personalized product recommendations to improve the shopping journey. Klarna was one of the first companies in the retail sector to use OpenAI's ChatGPT following its launch in November 2022, I believe. The Klarna plugin on ChatGPT provides consumers with a list of items tailored to their preferences. By clicking on a product link, it redirects shoppers to the product page where they can use Klarna's search and tools to compare prices across different brands. There are several other ways retail and the apparel industry is adopting AI. If you would like to find out more about this, we have recently published a report on AI and retail apparel, which can be found in the description.
Amazing. That is really interesting. I guess, again, that's a trend that you can see across sectors, this sort of hyper personalization brought about AI. You know, everyone's saying that none of the content we ever consume again will be the same as our friends. Everything will be hyper personalized. You know, we're never going to
Absolutely.
watch the same movie or play the same game. Everything will be built just for us. That continues in fashion as well.
Absolutely. It's all about tailoring the experience to each consumer.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much, Shabnam. I think that's all we have time for. But thank you so much for those instant insights. Thanks for listening. And from us in Thematic Intelligence, see you next time.